The parliamentary opposition is shocked over the decision of the National Environment and Planning Agency to interdict its officer who first identified breaches at the controversial Charlemont Drive apartment complex. As reported in the Gleaner, the individual was interdicted last week. According to leaked documents, the officer who was sent on interdiction on January 17, pending further investigations, is accused of bringing NEPA into disrepute and of inefficient work performance. It stated that he failed to carry out established enforcement procedures in regards to monitoring the development. In an interview with our news centre, opposition spokesman on finance and the public service Julian Robinson said he is baffled by NEPA's decision. He said the officer who alerted NEPA of the alleged breach should not be facing disciplinary action for doing his job.
Whistleblowers that having identified a problem and having brought it to the attention of management, that person is now the person who is the subject of an interdiction. I think it is important for NEPA to indicate the basis of this interdiction, what process was followed to interdict Mr. Henry, and also what is NEPA doing internally to correct the breaches that were identified in the Integrity Commission report. The failure to prosecute someone in this case could not fall simply at the feet of one individual.
He said NEPA must tell the country how it arrived at its decision.
And for public confidence, NEPA needs to indicate what review they're undertaking. But without more information in the public domain, it is deeply concerning that the whistleblower is the person who is interdicted in this case.